Hey everybody. I think I heard it hit. There we go. Yeah, it works. All right. Oh, I'm so close to being. Okay, so I've been. The reason why I was wanting to get on earlier. There's two reasons why I was late. Real late. First, I was like tired. I kind of fell asleep. Second, I was kind of I was problem solving, troubleshooting. I was troubleshooting. So I do have this on, right? Yeah. See if this works. That works. And let me close it. I see this works. That works. It's been pretty stable lately. It's been pretty stable lately. All right, so I'll tell you all what I was struggling with. And I'm going to restart my music and turn it up. So, hi everybody, I'm Ultra Derek. I'm not an echo. Ha! Eh? So, check out this though. Ah, fuck. Okay, I was typing in Google and it just comes up blank now. It's doing it for Brave, but I don't know why. Hey. So, okay. I don't know if you all know my struggles, but I couldn't get a Headless Comfyui to work with Krita. So here, it's still not working yet. I'm still debugging it. But one of the main things is you gotta you gotta go into, let's make this way bigger. Yeah. I really hate this on Ubuntu. It's like really bad. Preferences. Can I change like the colors? Like, I don't like these colors. You can't see shit. Needs to be like some other color. Unnamed colors. I don't know if I can change that. I don't want to fuck with this. All right, so anyways, so like, okay, I went into my what do you think about the VTuber ovulation tracker? I mean, I don't know, man. Like, it's kind of weird. I mean, like, to me, knowing like when a woman's gonna be menstruating, it fucking helps. All right, because like when women are PMSing, they can be insane. No joke. Like, you will be like, what the fuck is going, like, she's crying over everything, upset about everything. And it's just like, you have like no idea what's going on. Better content. I don't know, like, if they're just like fucking wigging out, like, you probably know they're PMSing, but I never really like pay attention to that. But I have a daughter that's special needs too, right? So like any kind of like hormonal change with her will like, you just gotta understand, like, why is she fucking screaming right now? Like I want to like shoot myself in the head. But oh, it's close to her period. That's why. So I don't know. A lot of times you can't really tell. Maybe women are better at hiding it when they're with their when they're not with their significant other. Maybe they'll let it out more when they're with their significant other. So I knew something was going wrong. So this is my computer here. It's this 127.0.0.1 colon. Is it semicolon? No, it's colon 8188. Three extensions. I was like, oh, what the fuck? Before I was in here. Ayo, hey private. I was like, I was in here and this didn't even have extensions on here. This was closed. I was like, what the fuck's going on? And like, luckily, like, I kind of found it decently fast. Because I searched this and I was like, new extension manager silently fails to install anything. I think that's it. And ended up being this. Resolve. It should resolve front end at latest. Okay. Required edit the user _ manager config.ini change network mode from public to personal cloud. So, and that's what I did. Personal cloud there. Yeah. And now I get 3 of them. Now here's the kicker. So like in this manager, that I was in on this, the one that I was needing to install, this Comfyui ControlNet auxiliary said installed on it. It said installed on it. Now I'm gonna like check something else. I'm gonna do control augs. So let's go to. This is a fucking nightmare here. Control augs. Oh shit! No, you don't do it here. You gotta do it. This is all fucked up. I think you gotta go to like here, and then you go to manage extensions. Yeah. So control augs. Was that what it was? ControlNet augs. Fuck. I thought I pulled that out. I guess I did not. ControlNet _augs. I wish I like was recording my screen or whatever. Okay. Which one's which? Which one's this? So this one's weird because this one has like the active. I think I have to refresh this. All right. ControlNet augs. Okay, it's saying install here. What's really weird, like this one here has like has this. Wait a second. This is control comfy. Controlling nodes. Huh. So that one says installed, right? Here, let's pull this. Control net augs. So this one says active, but it's not showing. And the reason why I'm going here is because it's not showing here. Now I wonder if it's because I put them I can't remember if I CD. I forget how to go back like multiple ones. Oh, I think I have to do like that. Anyways, CD custom nodes. So I installed them each by hand. Each by hand, baby. I'm gonna like move this somewhere. I wonder if I can move this somewhere else. Because it was the only one saying install active. Let me try installing it here. I'm still just doing that. All right, so. Huh. Can I take that out? Okay, updates available. I don't want to have to like remove it. I'm so ass backwards right now. How do I remove it? I don't know how to remove it. All right, so let's after. Okay. Let's try this again. Or wait a second. All right, so let's go into the environment. Pip. Come on. I'll just fucking remove it. I don't give a shit. Get in the... There it is. All right. I'm just going to hit enter so I don't lose it. There we go. And then, there we go. So let's go into control net auxiliary. All right. And then we're going to run the like pip install. I don't know if there's any flags I have to pull up. I can't remember. I think there is one. All right, so, okay. It looks like everything is already satisfied. Interestingly. All right, so I'm going to ask Google how do I remove an extension? All right, so tell me how. Okay, how do I remove an extension? Ah, gosh. In Comfy UI Headless. Headless these nuts. Okay, wait a second. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Comfy. Navigate the extension's name. Ah. Manual. So when I was installing these things, it wasn't showing those. Huh. Let me see if I can. I'm just going to check to see if I can get into this. All right, connect. All right, still missing something. Connection refused. What? Wait a second. That's different. That's fucking different. Oh, wait a second. I'm not listening. All right. I guess like, oh yeah. In order for not to crash my system, I had to use like these flags, like low VRAM, cache none. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. All right. Templates. Okay, it's still not showing that one. I wonder why. Let's see if it logs in. It probably won't. It probably will not. Connection refused. Why is it 80? All right, this should be 88. Connecting. All right, so it's... Oh, missing common module. Okay, so it's missing all those. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be fucking working on this. I don't even want to use like an AMD like GPU for this, because like it seems like, to be honest, I just don't want to use it. I'd rather go. Well, yeah, I just don't want to. I mean, like the image stuff is just, it just seems not to work with it, and I don't know why. So I think I hit, it says active, right? It's not fucking active. Or maybe this is the active for the repository. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing up. It's not hit. It's not, the install's not happening. So I wonder if there's like a conflict in this. Clio. All right, so, oh shit. This Comfyui. I wonder if it's like the underscore too. Everything else has a dash. Did I do like a requirements dot? Okay, I already did that. Okay, it says custom node list. Let's pull that up. Holy shit. This is like everything. Is there like a... There's a model list. Extension node map. Checked out bat these nuts in your mouth. extension node map.json. I think this is what I'm looking for. Int to text. How long is this? Does it say like how many lines it is? Yeah, this is not it. This is something that's like, yeah. Yeah, this is something else. Okay, let's. Okay, so Comfyui controller.net. Let's go to that one. That one's working. The thing is like, that one has like the most information. Okay, so I didn't really get to work with the manager. I went in the nodes, I did this. Navigate your folder, portable env, run path, system Python, start Comfyui. Like I've already done this. Like, okay, so my Comfyui is not seeing it. This looks like Pippa. Looks like Pippa. Star history, star history. Issues. Install but not showing and not showing. Installed. Okay. No, this does not appear when I install this repo. How did you install it? Issues handled in this video. I downloaded a zip. Oh, you can't put it in as a zip. I don't think. What the fuck, Dio? See, I don't even know if I installed like the manager correctly. Let me, okay, remember I said I was gonna like, let me move that one file. I'm gonna move it to, I don't know. Let's save this. Wait a second. Yeah, this here. We'll save this. Copy. And we're gonna put this here. There we go. I pasted it, bitch. There we go. So we got that kind of saved here. Can I make this bigger? There you go. So you guys can see. I'm starting to get used to this environmental variable type bullshit. So, yeah. Yeah. And you can like have like a specific Python for the environment. And you do like test MV, and then this one here. To activate it, you have to be like where the folder is. So like this here will create a folder where you're at saying test environment. And so then you do like test env. There you go. But you got to make sure like you're there. I guess like you can, I wonder if you can go back. Like maybe like do this. Let's say like you're in like some other location, you can do like ... that. Anyways. Yeah. Bam. Yeah. All right, so let's shut down my fucking stupid fucking server. Let's go back. CD. Let's list these again. So, okay, so we're gonna move. Comfy UI underscore auxiliary. Do I have to use recursive? I don't even know if I have to use recursive. So let's do that, and then like we'll just move it to home or something. Can I just do this? All right. Okay. So there it is. This is my home. It's not there now. Let's try this. All right, so let's start it up. All right, let's click on this. So let's close this piece of shit. And close this one. Is this one? What's this one? All right, so let's go to the manage extension. How's it now? It says it's active. Oh. Okay. Oh. All right. Would you look at that? All right, so that has like a switch. But why is it not here? Do I got to restart it? All right, let's restart the shit. So let's close these. Hi, me. Bye, me. All right. And after installing Comfy UI, refresh browser. Bam. Stop that server. Okay. Eventually, I'm gonna like put this in my system D's nuts. I think system D. It's not showing. It's not showing. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck, Dio? It just showed it. All right. Oh, okay. I'll restart here. I wonder why those other ones are up there. Okay. Let's check out the other ones. This IP adapter plus. So this restarted. IP adapter plus. Okay, it's on. Status unknown. Oh, one of these is like dead. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. In paint nodes. All right. It shows that. Well, that's showing everything. Tooling nodes. All right, that shows active. All right, let's check the ones that are not required. GGUF. I think I installed them. What? All right. Do I have them installed? What's this? I might do this one too. All right, GGUF. All right, and then it just says installed and ready to use. All right. It's not showing here though. Oh. Okay, the GGUF is not showing, but it shows this. How do I like run this? Do I do that? Provides a suite of custom nodes to manage multiple GPUs for Comfyui, including advanced model offloading and both. Yeah, typically, like you can probably make like a bigger, like use a bigger model, right? Because your pass, I mean, even though it's gonna halt everything that's being done, but it's still faster than like swapping out weights, right? Even just pass an image between them or whatever, or pass a layer. All right, so something's going on. We get the GGUF quantization support for native. Let's pick up that other one. So it didn't show that one. What? Nunchaku. There it is. Install. I don't know if I'm doing this right. All right, apply changes. There we go. Personal cloud. Package, nunchaku version, not found, cannot parse version. Well, that's great. Huh. Well, I guess like so we'll go into here, templates. It still shows it. Tooling NAS. All right. So why didn't this work? GGUF. Native Comfyui. This is currently very much WIP. These custom nodes provide support for model files stored in the GGUF format popularized by llama.cpp. So you can git clone this shit. Install the node, standalone Comfyui release, OpenCMD inside. So I don't know why it's not showing. So I don't think I had anything there. Oh, it put it there. I wonder if it knows that it's in the environment It should be in the environment, right? This is in the environment. I'm pretty sure. Something, 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 let's turn this off. And I'm going to open this up. Okay, so still in that environment. Okay, it already found this. Huh. Okay. Oh, did that one show up? Okay, that one that I had in here. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. All right, let's do this. There we go. So it showed all those pieces of shit things. I'm just going to click on this and boom. Boom, shakalaka. All right, so I disabled that one, right? Let's go over here and go to manage extensions, control net, underscore auxiliary. All right, apply changes. Some extensions are disabled due to incompatibility with your current setup. The extensions require versions of system packages that differ from your current setup. Installing them may override core dependencies. What the fuck's going on? What? This. Yeah. Let's fuck this shit up. Let's fuck this shit up. All right, so that's active. Let's see this. I think that's the only one kind of fucking it up, right? Everything else is kind of showing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so there's like 6. Interesting. So it said to go to like in your settings and something, something, something. Enable dev mode, API saves. Extensions. Ooh. Where was that at? I thought it was going to be like readily available. Disable loading custom nodes and self server config. Well, that's not there. That's not there. That's not there. How to disable all custom nodes? Wait a sec. Oh. What? So what was fucking up what? Bitch. They're telling you to do a binary search. Do a human binary search. I don't want to cut. I don't want to. Templates. Well, tell me which ones are. It doesn't know. How can it not be self-aware? All right, so what I want to do, installed. I bet it's this one here. Oh. Which one else? What else is there? It's a high performance inference engine optimized for low bit neural networks. Conflicts. This package is banned for security reasons. Oh. What? Why is this happening? Okay. Let's go to the nunchaku. Supports loading. Issues. Let's see what they say here. When was this? 8 hours ago? Ha! The warning says blah, 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 blah. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else? Are they mining Bitcoin or something like that? Ooh. All right. They're mining Bitcoin, aren't they? Understood. Let's turn off. All right. All but my one is showing up. So let's templates. Can I just like disable this or delete it or something? So it's that cut control net OGS. So let's go to the control net OGS. Yeah. Let's see if they have like a issues or something like that. Issues. Now the thing is, like, this thing's like always updating. It's kind of annoying. Numpy. Not in templates. Of course. I have AMD, but it uses CUDA and CPU. What? Whoa, dude. Holy shit, dude. After installing this package. Ooh. All right, so I think I'm about giving up. Chat. I think I'm about giving up. Wait a second. Let's restart the PC. How about that? Let's restart the PC. So let's exit this. And we'll exit this. And if it doesn't work after this, I guess it doesn't work. So, fuck you, sudo reboot. Oh, is it super user do? Sudo? Is it sudo? Okay, so what? Sudo reboot. So, okay. Now, I would call them... Okay, you got GIFs and you got GIFs, right? How are you supposed to pronounce it? I always pronounced it GIF because it started with a G. But then, I didn't realize this. I think words that start with G give the J sound. And I didn't realize that. But think about it, like George starts with a G. Wait, but Greg, that starts with a G. To me, it's just like, just use a J, right? If you want that just sound, use a J. If you want that G sound, use a G. What else? Like words that start with G. Let's look this up. This is important. Words that start with G. Gain. That's a hard G. That's a gain. Gigantic. Galvanized. Gallivant. What? Maybe it's with the GI. GE. When does G give the J sound? The J sound. Soft G, J before E, I, or Y. That's why. Hey. Hard G is before an A, O, U, or consonant. Wait a second. What about Nat? Is it Gnat? Gypsy? Girl? Give? Wait a second. All right. It's still a GIF. It's still a GIF. I'm not moving a GIF. If we do like, if there's things that don't follow the rules, okay. Soft sounds. They just, a soft J sound, and they just use a J. Gnat. 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 No. Oh, you watch anime, K. Roberts? Egg. Hard G, bitches. All right, I'm gonna put on Pippa. She's been staying on late. All right, so I gotta log into this. There we go. So let's go into CD programs. Oh, I need to like make him not listen to me. Test. C in Turkish without a dangling apostrophe is a J sound. Older animes. Source. Bin. Shit, I don't remember what it goes. I don't remember what it is. Holy fuck, look at it. Is it activate? There we go. Ha! Now we're in there. This song is funky as fuck. It's called... It's newer. Don't Stop featuring Michael T. Dabile from Funk Delight. Is funk? What is funk? It sounds funky. It's just like, is funk like newer funk? They're like, we don't want to be called funk. So we'll just call it funk because we're dumb. It sounds like it's like a mix of like Michael Jackson with like the song sounds like a mix of Michael Jackson with like Morris Day and the Time, or not Morris Day, Zapp and Roger, I mean. Funk is that super bass beat. This is not that. They spelled it with a F. Funk. What is it? Funk. No, funk, bitch. No. Funking. Beefing? We're having problems with someone. It's not to be mistaken with funking because it changes the definition entirely. Pronounced Fawn King. Yo, look at Twitter. Meek Mill and Drake is on there funking hard. Funk. This is like saying you have beef with someone funking. Are they still funking with? Man, I don't remember the slang terms we used. Like we had a ton of slang terms that we used when I was like in high school and shit. Funked, when you fuck a girl so hard she's crying and screaming and your neighbor's dog comes and joins. What the fuck? Extreme form of funk. Similar to FOMO. Oh my gosh. Kids nowadays don't know what FOMO is, man. They have no clue. Fear of missing out. Oh my gosh. Like people didn't have cell phones. Kids didn't have cell phones. Everybody had like a landline. You're lucky like if your parents had a cell phone. All right? It's not like you had one. And so like if they left for the day and he called, you'd have to fucking like call several people to like, you know, to see where to go and hang out. Well, if you had a car, you'd be like, you know, well off. Yeah. Maybe you can find someone. Car phones, dude. Okay, when there's this one guy, he gave me a fucking ride home. Fucking ride home, man. We were in Scouts, and I don't know what his job was. He had a car phone. I tried calling my dad, and he had a convertible too. He was like, I can't hear you. I was like, can I call my dad? He's like, yeah. My dad was like, I can't hear you. I was like, great. Trying to show off here, man. I'm trying to show off here. Personal cloud. The car phone. It's not there, bitch. I'm pretty sure it was installed. This stuff's like all over the place. If you have extensions or node packs, that's like completely different than the other stuff. Like, don't put it with the templates. Just. All right. Control net. All right, so I'm gonna say like, let's see if Google can help my ass. Google this shit. All right. Control Nox auxiliary is installed. Shows installed. installed in what do they call this? Managed extensions. And managed extensions. Damn it. Is it S? Yes, it is. For Comfyui, but in the UI, it isn't. In the web UI, it isn't showing. This is the last. It's not showing up in the templates extension section. Yeah. Everything else is. Template. Template. What? Template. Man, fuck. All right. Template. It's not showing up. Not showing. Ah! What the fuck did I just do? There we go. Showing up in the template extensions. It's an S. How do we even fucking know how to spell, man? I can't even pronounce these words correctly. All right. In the extensions tab. This is the tab, right? I mean, that's kind of a tab. Shit. All my other extensions are. I use an S. I learned. What do I do? Exclamation point. Sounds like a classic case of import failed, error the Comfyui manager is hiding, or a dependency conflict. Okay, check for duplicate folders. A nested or a duplicate folder that confuses Comfyui. All right. All right. Let me double check that. That's reasonable. I didn't like look at it too hard. Meow 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 meow. I like standing here just in case. All right, so let's go to custom nodes. Okay, got that. It added it itself. Okay, it's not double. Wait a second. How do I like list if there's like a Comfyui if I accidentally installed it somewhere else? Underscore. I'm not seeing anything. All right, I think we're good. It's not that. Install. Manually install dependencies. I did manually install it. I prefer my user interface not to be a butt. Yeah. Open. Okay, so I did this. I fucking installed it. Move Comfyui to a shorter path. Fix folder names and spaces. Space. All right. It might be like a... I was thinking like a port issue, maybe. I don't know. For a headless, comfy UI server, anyone having issues getting to install, to at least to install and show up properly in the thing, show up properly in the web UI. Two years ago. Yeah, we already looked at that. ControlNet installation guide on Comfyui. No module. Installed this repo directly from the Comfy. Okay, let's see what this is. And install failed. So all I was able to get was, oh, it didn't say that. So this is like Windows. So I wasn't there for the thing. There we go. Well, I don't think this refers to me. How to install the Mr. ControlNet node. Oh gosh. I don't. Like I installed all this shit. Holy fuck. Oh fuck. History. History? History? Wait a second. History? Weird conflict in nodes with Comfy after installing. I think I'm gonna have to go on like Reddit or something like that. Oh, wait a second. I don't have enough time to do this now. But I think what I want to do... What's this? Nope. I think here they might have like a... They might have like a Discord here. Well, I'll send a message on here. Maybe I'll send... Issues. Yeah. You got commercials? Like, I said it's a manual. Mid-roll manual. Hell, dude. What the fuck? Maybe I'll just turn off commercials. I've been thinking about doing that. Maybe I'll just like turn off commercials for my streams. All right, so just each time you hop in and out. Well, that's kind of annoying, right? Like nothing pisses someone off. Well, okay, Twitch is the worst. You'll get like 5 minutes of commercials when trying to join in on a stream for the first time. They need to get rid of that. But like they don't really care. For some odd reason. And I don't like giving like 5-minute commercials every fucking 30 minutes. I give it like a 15 to 30 second commercial every 30 minutes. But like in order to do that, you got to do that just to I shouldn't have became an associate there. I don't have enough people. Like if I add like 50, maybe I'll become an associate. But I think I kind of like nuked my channel a bit. All right, I was wanting to take pictures. All right, so print screen. All right. Let's make it bigger so it's not like so fucking large. Maybe like that. There we go. And installed. Print screen. Embedded commercials during live streams for new media. It's the way it activates when a topic is finally presented. Yeah. It doesn't even give me like, it gives me a warning in my chat that a commercial is going to be coming up. But I don't fucking see that shit. Like, I need to have like a alert that I can hear. You know what I'm saying? Oh, fucking Pippa's chick. Have you guys seen her chick? She's getting off now. What's going on with this? I think I think she took a pic. There it is. She has a chick. Tuesday through Saturday, we'll see you. Yeah. A few hours past noon. These platforms kind of suck. Drinking, watching, reacting, backseating. She needs a straight up like gangster rap. Pippa, you need a Lil Jon version of this. Need a crunk version of this. This is my alt account. When will Pip Possum come back? We hope you enjoy your stay, your favorite stream. Why do they have Marmot? So today shall be all right, she just rated. Bye-bye. All right. So I took a picture of that one thing, right? Fonking her in the butt. Headless. Trying to install Headless to install Headless Comfy UI. I guess like, well, let me type this extension. Shit. Extension shows installed in what's this thing called? Manage extensions. What is it? Show and install, but not showing up in the extensions tab. Well, let me put like not showing up in extensions tab. Yeah, that'll be just easier. Do they have like a... You have a single verified email address? Gosh, what the fuck, dude? What's going on with GitHub? Extension isn't showing. Installed extension isn't showing in the extensions tab. All right, so I'm gonna... Can I just drop those images in here? I don't know. Four or five of my other ones. Okay, all my other extensions are showing up in the tab, but this one. I am trying to have a headless comfy UI server that Krita can take advantage of. Yeah. I think that's about it. I want to like show this. Here's what let me see what, does this say anything here? Okay. Shit. Paste? Oh, piece of shit. Let me see if there's like some sort of like, fuck. Comfy UI underscore. All right. Comfy UI underscore control. All right. Match regular expression. Or is this something? Where's this at? Okay, this is like midway up. He's warning, Onyx time not found and does not come with acceleration provided. Switch to OpenCV with CPU device. Ooh. I'm also running AMD. That might be the problem. I am also running AMD. I'm also using AMD cards. I'm also using the AMD, the Radeon. $90. 9060 XT. RX 9060 XT. 16 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. So, all right. So I bought a couple extra Radeon 9060 XTs, right? For $350. So let's say there's 10% tax. All right. So that's like $35, $385. All right. And then that's how much I spent on it, right? The price has now gone up on Amazon to like $469. If I was to sell them on eBay, I think they take about a 13% cut. eBay calculator. What's this? Oh, all right. So it's like 469. Why does it say direct? Where is it? What? Why is this? What? Okay. What's going on here? What is going on here? Basic. Okay. 469. 69. Times. Let's make it 15%. Times 0.15. So, okay. So it's basically like $400. And then there, I think that includes like the shipping and shit. I don't know. Should I wait? I mean, okay. So here's the thing. Let's get out. Let's get this out. So I 485. I bought them for $385. I bought them for $385. Right? And then if I sell them, did it just fucking close that shit? Where'd it go? There we go. I didn't like that. It just fucking died. All right. 385. It doesn't like this at all. It's like, it's hating it. All right. So I've never, what the fuck is going on here? Gnome, what are you doing? I'll be making 400 basically. It's only $15. Should I just return them? I got like, I can either hold on to them for like another month, which I kind of need the money. I think I should just return them. I got to return 2 of them. So, and it's hard to say like if these GPUs are going to be costing more and more and more, right? Because here's the thing, like no one's really building them. No one's really building PCs, like new ones. Yeah, no one's really building new PCs because of the RAM. Here's the thing, like it could get like real bad. It can get real bad here. Like really bad. I just want to close this. What's going on? It is not liking this. It's not letting me close this. I have never. No, wait. I think I'm gonna force quit it. Okay, bitch. All right, this here we're gonna close. I think it didn't like me zoomed in so much. There. Let's save this. Draft changes restored. let's save this. I don't really need this one. I don't think I need this one. What was this? What was this? Be porn, be porn, be porn.
Now in the RV.
Oh.
Be her father-in-law.
Oh, someone wanted me to like do one where she's like, yeah. Okay, so this log thing here. All right. Where is that at? Info. I didn't notice this error. Switch to OpenCV with CPU device. I did see this warning. Okay, copy. I did see this warning. No, I'm a noob. Okay. First of all, I gotta say, I am kind of a noob at Python and stuff. Okay. There we go. How to Python. How to Python. Okay. Now. Did see this warning. Is there another one? All right. Is there like a flag I need to like set? Okay. All right, let's check that though. All right, let's duplicate. Here, we'll just click this. Yeah. Shit, I shouldn't have done that. So let's type in AMD. AMD. Search. Oh. Error code when executing. Kind of makes me sad. Here are pics of the. So there's like a way to like, what is it? Heading, bold, italic, quote, code. Why did I put it there? All right, so maybe I can do this. There we go. That was code, right? All right, so here's some pictures. Here is some pictures of the GUI, web UI. Pictures. All right. Meow. And meow. All right. Any kind of help. Any kind of help would be great. Danka. Oh, maybe I should feed this into the fucking AI. Anyways. See? Oh. Oh, shit. I guess I could have, like... Yeah. There we go. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am, Sam. All right. All right, let's learn some good old Python. Actually, I'm going to close this. So I don't want this running in the background. Oh. Yeah, so they got this like new, it's called like Z. Wait a second. Is this the new one? Image Z image. What if I kind of download it? Let's copy URL. Where do I put these? Okay, diffusion models. All right. I think we got to close it anyway. All right. But like the Z thing. Oh, I shouldn't have closed it. I was able to make nudes. Yeah. Imagine that. It's fucking badass. I think it's models. There we go. And it gives like a, I don't think it's this. Diffusion models. All right. If it says diffusion models in here, then we can put in here. Yeah, it is. Okay, so CD diffusion models. There you go. So wget that shit. Paste the URL. There we go. Holy fuck, how big is this? It's huge. Look at this. Look at this fucking. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's like good or bad. I'm showing that. It said key on there. Oh well. Hack me, bitches. AI hack my shit. Oh yeah. Man, X has been like overload. X has been overload. Yeah, so like, but like for the credit thing, ooh, I should like, I wonder if I can set up getting like that Z shit. Like I'd have to create my own nodes. And I'd like to get the Z one because it's smaller. Here, we'll just do the local one. Stop. Launch. I guess it was like, running time connected. All right, so let's hit OK. See, it has these stable diffusions and shit. Core components. Required models, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully they put it in there because I guess you can like edit them now. I guess you can edit them now. So you got the flux context. Like I can take this and be like, anime style this shit up. What is this? Anime illustrious? I don't know what the anime illustrious. Anime exciting. Yeah, let's bring it down. There we go. Illustrious. It doesn't really change it. So if I like really, I'm cranking this shit. Cranking it. cranking it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, AI. You guys aren't old enough for this. I'm gonna have to check to make sure what that is exactly. All right. They make sure I'm safe. I guess exciting means whores with their butts showing. All right. All right, so I want to turn this on. All right, so I'm going to turn this back on. What? Oh shit. So Comfy UI Manager. Personal Cloud. Okay. Paste. Oh, fuck, piece of shit. Comfy UI Manager. What is this shit? Let's go to the beginning. Oh my gosh. Are you shitting me? I was trying to see if this is like a more current one. Wasn't really showing. Oh, wait a second. Did we go back? Let's just go to the beginning. Yeah, it's here. It's here. It says it here. Okay, DW pose. Okay. Let's try. Let's like look at this. All right, so. Well, that should be like in the templates. Wait a second. Image the image. I think everything's done here. So this here says a fashion photography work full of. All right, let's run. It might not work. All right, so at the same time, let's do this. AMD. This currently does not support CUDA. What? Path to come. How to run multiple CUDA versions. This is like a monster ass fucking. Oh shoot. Code model, load device, CPU, offload device. Oh shit. What happened? It didn't like that at all. It didn't like that at all. Maybe it's too big for its britches. All right, well, fuck it. It didn't work. Maybe it's too big. Maybe it needs to be a... I was hoping to like swap out the weights and shit. Like, I think this would still work like on a NVIDIA, or maybe I have to put it in here. Like for the GPU or whatever. I don't know. I've never really used this stuff, but it's kind of annoying. It's kind of annoying. All right, let's learn some Python, bitches. All right, so let's clear this. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna close this. So I don't really know like a lot about Python. Ooh. So let's go into here. All right, so we need to do the source. Testing V, bin, activate. There we go. So let's put us in here. So I did like, ooh. Okay, so I'm used to like making arrays. So I guess like you make an array like this. Now I want to be able to like add on to the array, right? I want to figure out how to do that. So let's put like a nested array in here. I wonder if we can do that. I mean, we can do like size and then like do like X size, Y size. Or this would be Y size, right? And then meow. And then like this would be like X size equals 10. All right. So like we do like Y size and then like that. And like for, is there an X? Oh, yeah. I'm used to like for I equals 1 and then you like put it in there. Like, so I guess it automatic. Oh, I mean like it just increases anyway. So, I mean, that's not bad. So let's have a nested loop. And, I don't know. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's do this. Okay. Okay. So array. All right. Here's some fun for y'all. So okay, so we will do like, in order to print this right, it'll be like array, and then it'll be like X times, it starts with 1. Times X size. All right, so I mean this will be like and this should be Y. Let's just make this Y, and then this, okay, for Y to Y size. So this will be like Y times X size. All right. Plus X. Yeah. And then that will equal, I don't know. That'll equal X times Y. There we go. I don't think this will like. So we can do like the print for this too. Let's say we want to like print it. Ooh, how do we do this? So this is like, yeah. Ooh, I think it does like a new line for the print, right? What is the print X here? There we go. Let's delete this. I think it's kind of like that though. Like we'd want to do like through the Y, like print and then like array, like Y. I don't know how they do this. All right, so Python print partial array. Python. Start end. Okay. So be like Y. Ooh. It needs to start at 0, right? But I think like when I was doing them earlier, it doesn't. I don't think it was starting at 0. I think it was starting at 1. Y times X size to like. My daughter's awake. I don't know. We're just gonna print this on our own. We're just gonna print this and then like we'll think about it. Print. There we go. What the fuck, Dio? Hey. Let's see what happens here. We might have like an error. So I guess like Python. Hello world. Oh baby. Interesting. Okay, I guess it does have 0. Let's do X plus Y. There we go. That makes more sense. X. That makes sense. That makes sense. On Comfyui, I just try to do some pixel art for reference sheet of RPG Maker. It works great. Proud of myself. Thanks for Loris for that. Yeah, I'm trying to make a headless Comfyui that like works with Krita here, but I can't get the control net to work. So it's saying something about like using CPU, and I'm using AMD. All right. Why? Y times X size. There we go. And then we're just gonna It's on an order. Zero, and it should say end at 99. There we go. Let's try the demo on NIOH3. My computer is so hot I can open an egg cooking restaurant. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to run like some RX 9060 XTs, but it's not working. Ooh, which reminded me, like I was wanting to install Whisper. I think Whisper will run with AMD. Whisper AMD. Whisper using AMD. There we go. It'll kind of tell you how to do this here. My daughter's awake. Pip install dataset. Blah 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 blah. Prerequisites. All right. The thing is, like, you gotta like put it in here like this. You gotta make your own. You can't use like the pip to install it. Oh, I gotta get FFmpeg. Ooh. Let's get that real quick. All right. PyTorch and Torch Audio. We are continually releasing optimized solutions for new features. Okay. Yeah. Where was I going? All right, so I don't want to be in the environment. FFmpeg, motherfucker. I don't think it's installed, so we gotta install it. There we go. I thought about making like a Go wrapper for FFmpeg, because you can get like you can get the shared libraries with the already compiled shared libraries with the oh, what's it called? With the C code, like a chicken wrapper. Yeah. All right, so we got that. We got FFmpeg installed. Whisper. All right, so ensure rock 5.7 plus, and I think I got this installed already. I don't know if I had this installed on my. Ooh. How do I know which PyTorch I got? I don't think I installed PyTorch. I don't want a Docker file. So I got PyTorch in my Finder uses PyTorch. Okay, let's PyTorch AMD install. I'm not a robot, bitch. I'm a cat. I'm not a cat either. I'm not a neko. All right. I kind of want to guys go here. It's bright. Man, my daughter's awake. It's not good. That's not good. I think okay. Should I install it in like a virtual environment? I want to go to Google. Create a virtual environment. Okay, so I need to make a virtual environment. So, okay. Do I make subfolders? Like, okay, so if I have like, when doing Python, do I use subfolders? When doing a project in Python, do I use subfolders? With the main, with the parent folder. Shit, I didn't mean to do that. With the parent folder containing the virtual environment folder. Hopefully it knows what I'm talking about. It's common to recommend practice to use a subfolder for your source code while keeping the virtual environment folder separate within the main. Okay, it is. All right. All right. I kind of feel like I need to like... I kind of feel like... I need to make a Git repository. Let's just do a test environment. All right, this will just be my Whisper test environment, but later on I think I'm gonna make like I can do something else. So I'm just gonna call it Whisper. So yeah. So CD programs ls okay, so we'll just name one, call it, we'll make a directory called Whisper. Wait a second. Yeah. We'll just make one with Whisper. So, okay. Let's go ahead and get... Okay, we'll just bring up Whisper. Let's just do that. Well, shit. I'm just thinking, because I'm going to be using this for a project. Let's get out of this. Okay, so workspace. So we got to work. So let's go to CD work. ls. I got test. I'm going to make a make directory. I'm going to say like AI environment. I'm going to make a directory called AI env. There we go. And then cd AI env, and let's go ahead and here, let's go ahead and make the virtual environment. I don't exactly remember how to do it, so I made a note. So we want to type in like do we do Python 3.3? We're gonna do Python 3.13. Okay, so. And we're going to call it V AI. What is it? VAI env. There we go. So venv VAI venv env. Yeah, something like that. So it's gonna do that, and then we're gonna go like source, VAI env, and then bin activate. There we go. So ls, we just got the venv in there. So now let's install Whisper. Well, we'll install these that they said that we should do. Where was that? What the fuck is this shit? Funk your butt. I thought we were in the ROCM. Where did it go? There it is. I guess we... So it tells me to get this and this. Oh, and then I went into... All right. Uses, or if you want a different version, ROCM modify it. So I already got ROCM in here. I got 7.2. I wonder if this will fuck it up. What the fuck is going on here? Download Docker. I don't want your Docker image. Whisper, OpenAI Whisper. All right, so it says like pip install OpenAI Whisper, but we're probably gonna have to use like this. This, but they might. Doing it straight from here will not do it right, if I remember correctly. I did this earlier. Okay. Now that's necessary. Libraries just saw. Let's download and sample audio for the preamble of the United States Constitution. All right. Why is this pip install datasets? IP would transfer number OpenAI Whisper and Q. Okay. Okay. No Docker. Platforms probably test wheel packages. For correct wheel commands, you must select Linux, Python, pip, and ROCM in the matrix. What? Oh my gosh. No CUDA with CUDA with ROCM. What the fuck is this? Oh, fuck me. Guys, I think I gotta go. My daughter is like awake. She's making a ton of noise. And, yeah. PyTorch for RSCM support. Yeah, I gotta go. She's awake. She has school at... She needs to be on the bus by 7. So, yeah, I'll try to get on later on today with this during the day. We'll install it, 'cause I need Whisper. I need Whisper for what I'm doing. So yeah, she just got out. But all right, guys, I appreciate it. Have a good one. I'll try to be on later on today, hopefully like around 8 or 9 a.m. So here in about 7.5 hours. So yeah. Ooh, I see the thing. I think I'm 7.2. All right, but yeah, I'll get the PyTorch going, baby. I just found out a way to install it locally, so I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. Stay out of trouble, and I will catch you all on the flip side here in about 7.5 hours. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.